Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Sulleman is a dynamic Malawian leader whose extensive experience uniquely positions him to preside over this august house with distinction. Madam COP, honorable members, in public service, Honorable Sulleman has earned profound respect as a member of parliament and chairman of the Parliamentary Committee on Agriculture. It is through his stewardship as chair of the Agriculture Committee that we learned of fertilizer deals bought in butcheries. Through his leadership, the Agricultural Committee of Parliament played a crucial role in overseeing the operations at the Ministry of Agriculture, an act that showed us the rot in the then government. Honorable Sulleman spearheaded progressive policy reforms, enhancing agricultural productivity and food security in Malawi, which is a critical pillar of our national developmental agenda. His leadership extends across sectors, having served as a president of the Football Association of Malawi and chairman of the Road Transporters Association, demonstrating his proven capacity to lead diverse organizations with vision, integrity, and unwavering dedication. As a founder and managing director of Sami's Transport Contractors, he transformed a modest logistics enterprise into a major national business with over 70 vehicles and nearly employed 100 people, partnering with extensive key international organizations. His ownership of Cape View Beach Resort further exemplifies his commitment to fostering tourism and stimulating local economic growth. Madam COP, honorable members, the appointment of Honorable Sulleman by President Mutharika of the Republic of Malawi comes as a confirmation of the citizenry's trust in his proven leadership. Over the past 5 years, he has demonstrated steadfast resolve and principled advocacy, embodying the values of integrity, loyalty, patriotic fervor, essential for this esteemed office of Speaker. This deliberate and commendable appointment reinforces the imperative synergy among the tripartite organs of government, namely the executive, legislature, and the judiciary, whose harmonious collaboration is indispensable to advancing Malawi's socio-economic welfare. Any disruption to this unity would betray the solemn trust bestowed upon us by the people and jeopardize the foundations of our democracy. Madam COP, honorable members of parliament, in light of these considerations, I implore all honorable members of this august house to embrace and champion this appointment with unreserved support. Let us collectively elect Honorable Samia Sulleman as Speaker of the National Assembly as we relentlessly pursue our noble duty to serve the people of Malawi with unwavering honesty, dedication, and unity. Together, let us honor the sacred trust reposed in us by our citizens, forging a unified front to realize the developmental aspirations that our beloved nation so richly deserves. It is now my honorable duty, Madam COP and all honorable members, to therefore nominate the name of Honorable Samia Sulleman, MP, as the Speaker of the Malawi National Assembly. I beg to move.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member for Karonga Central. May I now ask Honorable Member for Cholo Tava to second the nomination.
Thank you very much, Madam Clerk of Parliament, COP, for allowing the people of Cholo Tava to second the nomination of Honorable Sulleman, Honorable Samia Sulleman, Member of Parliament for Blantyre Misesa Club Banana constituency, for the position of the Speaker of the National Assembly. Madam Speaker, before I proceed, allow me to join my colleague in congratulating the honorable members for making it to this August House after such a very difficult campaign. Madam Clerk of Parliament and all honorable members, I have known Honorable Samia Sulleman for some time now, and I have no doubt whatsoever in my mind that he is fit and the only candidate that can easily fill in the position of the Speaker of the National Assembly and be able to perform in that high office. Madam Clerk and honorable members, talking about performance, Honorable Samia Sulleman is a hard worker, and I'm sure most members in this House and general public can attest that fact. Madam Clerk, Honorable Samia Sulleman understands extremely well the role of Parliament and its committees when it comes to overseeing the activities of government. Those of us who were in the previous cohort can bear witness to this. Madam Clerk of Parliament, honorable members, it should be borne in mind that as Speaker of National Assembly, he will be our representative when dealing with the executive branch. It is always important for the Speaker to have extremely good working relationship with the President from a constitutional point of view, as well as some operating acts. As such as National Assembly Emoluments Act, Parliamentary Service Act, etc., etc. Honorable Samia Sulleman scores highly in that regard. In terms of interpersonal dynamics, I stand here to bear witness of his good character as an individual who is accommodating, understanding, and above all, very helpful. Madam Clerk of Parliament, I am therefore appealing to all members in this House to overwhelmingly vote for him to be our next Speaker of the National Assembly. I therefore, Madam COP, recommend his name to you, all honorable members, and you, Madam Speaker. Thank you so much.
I'm sure Honorable Member for Cholo Tava meant Clerk of Parliament. We are actually about to elect your speaker. So, honorable members, the nomination for Honorable Samir Sulleman has been duly seconded. I now call upon the candidate, Honorable Samir Kafa Sulleman, to rise for the House to see him. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Honorable Member. Honorable members, I now call upon Honorable Member for Dedza Mlunguzi to move for the nomination of Honorable Peter Demba.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.